In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the This PC icon to your desktop here in Windows 11. If you do find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Windows tips, tricks, and tutorials. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. But if you want to quickly access your files and your drives, here's how you can add the This PC icon directly on your desktop. First off, go ahead and right click on an empty area on your desktop and it's going to pull up this menu here. Select personalize and then scroll down on this page until you find the themes icon right here. Go ahead and select it and then there's going to pull up a bunch of different stuff. There's going to be this option for desktop icon settings. Go ahead and click on it and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. All you need to go ahead and do is actually check this box that's next to this PC right here by clicking this computer section right here. After that, simply go ahead and hit apply and then you can hit OK. And as you can see, I have this PC on my desktop. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos just like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.